So I am cutting up this firebox elder tree that I had cut down in my yard. Never dealt with them before, never really heard of them or seen them before, until a guy showed me some of his craft work that he made with it. But I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. It's a crazy wood. So this is the first cut into it. It's definitely bigger than what my mill should handle, but made it work. Now, I hope you guys can see that real well. It's all natural red stripes up in it, almost like a cedar, but way cooler.